Okay then guys, back at the sewing machine. Now then, as I say, started the back, coming through, and we'll see what we can do as we're going through this. Okay, taking them off, taking through. Might even be bringing this into full videos yet. I haven't looked at any footage yet, so I've got to decide what I'm doing as opposed to see how long the videos are. So we're coming to these corner parts now. Now then, these are the bits that I'm not too sure about here. I think we'll cut those two corners off because I don't know, because I can. Yeah, I think I'm going to feed it to the corner and leave the needle in. There we go. Right, leave that needle in there, lift the foot up, turn him round, tuck that all underneath again. There we go. Let's put that needle back out again now, because that tab's there, and we've got that done. Put the needle back down again in there, and that's that. I think we're okay, and away we go again. Coming down this is the end, one of the ends. As I say, started on the back side. Start on the back side of the needle, because then it's locking that up in there, and it's not making it too hard. These tabs are going to be a nightmare, I think. Cool. Just realised I've got to turn this inside out to do the right way to do this. Oh my lord, to do the stitching on the outside. This could be a good one. Okay, right, here we go. That's it. Bring it back a bit. Bring it back a bit. Put that needle in there. Turn him round. Lift him up. Put that needle out the way. Put that. Oh dear, sorry guys. Put that out the way completely. I could possibly chop that whole corner off. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not a proper seamstress, so I don't know if I chop it off and end up making a mistake. Somebody comment me below, tell me where I'm going wrong. Somebody's got to. Somebody's bound to, with a bit of luck. Give me a bit of more of a tutorial about doing stuff the right way than me doing it the wrong way. As I say, I'm learning the same as you guys can learn from me, or not learn from me, I don't know. This is my first time at it. I've done the seats, you see that I've done the seats. This now is the back side of the main of the bench seats. So we'll give these what they've got. Do you know, I might actually do that and put these on the backs. Put French piping on the front. I don't know how that would look. So especially we haven't got any. Let's cut them two tabs off again. Especially that now I haven't got any piping. If I'm not going to put any piping on it, that's it, lock it in. If I'm not going to put any piping on this, where we go now? That's it. Right, now we've got to come all the way along there. There you go. Told you, you can learn by my mistake. Oh, how long was that? Let's chop that off. If you guys see that, you have a laugh with me at the same time, because I didn't see it until I went to turn the corner. I turned all them corners and got nowhere. the old bobbin's run out, so I've got to replace the bobbin. Should have been noticing that as I was going through, concentrating more on what was going on rather than what was not going on. So let's replace the bobbin. You guys can see this as I'm doing it. Don't want to flip up the other side, it's too awkward. There we go. Bobbin out, definitely. Put it back down. Get the bobbin in there. There you go. As I say, it's all live. You guys can see as I'm doing it. You see me make my mistake, which I did. There we go. Roll another bobbin up and we finish this tutorial. Now I've got to start back here again. Oh well, as I say, all a learning curvature. Let's start all the way back from round the other side, which is good that it's this way and not the opposite way when you're doing the whole French stitch side of it. Okay, knock that off. Here we go, guys. That's it. There we go. Let's lift that up there. That one in there. Turn it round. Puts that needle up out the way. Bring that through. Push that needle back down. And here we go again, starting down the front side. And there we go. Starting down the front side again. Just remember to keep your eye on the bobbin. There you go. See, we all make mistakes. We're all human. And you're seeing the mistakes as I'm making them. So here we go. As we come through to get this done. And we're going to turn it inside out so you guys can see, once I've taken all the staples out, so you guys can have a good peruse at it. Same as me. It is a good peruse as well. I'm hoping it should be no different to the underneath side of it, with a bit of luck. There we go. We're coming to the side now that I was originally at before I noticed the bobbin had gone. Here we go again. There we go. Leave the needle in there. Turn him round. Lift him up out of the way. Tuck that up under the way. Oh, sorry. There we go. This is probably not the way to do it, guys, but I don't know no other way. So there we go. There's probably there are other ways. I haven't seen loads. I've watched quite a bit about Seamster Street on YouTube. There's a guy called Mecca. Main language is Spanish, which is neither here nor there. You can get the gist of everything he's doing, whether it's in Spanish or English. He does speak a bit of English sometimes, but he does a lot of car upholstery, seats, bits and pieces. He does doors, linings, heads, boots, car boots. He does a lot. Some of the stuff he does on there, he got tutorials on there. I'd love for him to do it in English because the tutorials would be great to listen to. I can't listen to them because I don't speak Spanish. So he very rare, but he does speak a bit of English in some of his stuff, but not all the time. So it'd be good if he did. And if he was watching me, he may do, I don't know. Just be nice. I suppose that really I should comment on his channel saying, is it possible we could do some of the tutorials in English? I might just do that. It's really good what he does. That's one. The other one, I'm trying to even think about how he pronounces his name. Kefello or something like that. I'll see if I can put a link in the description somewhere, and then you guys can watch him. Again, you know, he doesn't speak any English whatsoever. He just points. Doesn't speak at all. He's doing his bits and pieces, and he'll point, and then he'll show you measurements and bits and pieces. It's saying it's one of them ones you need to watch, and then he'll show you what's what with his measurements, how he does it, how to do this, how to do bowls, how to line cars, what glues he uses, but again, doesn't speak a word on it whatsoever. Okay, so right guys, we've done that now. Here we go. Where's my zip? That's it. Alright, let's have a little look. I'm going to zoom you out because, sorry guys, zoom you out, and you can see it in real time the same as me. Sorry you can see me. Got my goggles on, as you do. Most of us get older. Let's undo that zip. Oh, there we go. Right, that's the zip open. Let's take these staples out first because they might hinder it as I'm turning it inside out, and I'll need to take them out anyway when we're going to sew it. So again, sorry guys, you are going to see this real time with me. This I've learned from one of the other guys on there, the guy that I said about, I'm not sure how you pronounce his name, Kefello, something like that. I might have a look on my phone in a minute, and then I can tell you how to spelt. Let's get these staples out first. So you don't want to see me going along all the time, as I say. This is why this video is in 3 parts. It's because I'm trying to do everything in real time, so you see everything in real time. As I say, so you can see the mess ups, especially with the popping, how far I went along without that even noticing. That's great. Just goes to show that you can do it. Other people would have probably stopped the video there once they edited it. They would have cut that out. I'm not going to cut anything out. If anything, then you're going to see in between is me where I've moved the camera from one place to another, and I'm going to try my very, very best not to cut anything out whatsoever, so you see everything real time the same as me. And it's a much better video, I think. Give you them sort of things. I'm going to do this with my other project. I have got the 110, as I said. I bought another one, a 110, and I'm going to do the same with that. That's from the ground up. Again, that's another complete rebuild from the ground up, which is going to be everything. Sandblasting, you're going to see me sandblast. Look at this, guys. You're going to see me sandblast. Sorry there, guys, I pulled that all the way through. We'll do that when I get it through. You're going to see me sandblast, you're going to see me prep, you're going to see me paint, and you're going to see me do all the upholstery, the headliners, every single solitary thing that there is to do, start to finish with the Land Rover. Right, let's put that back in there. I suppose I should have put a stitch on that, really, I don't know. There again, there we go, guys. You're seeing this the same as me. Let's do that up a little bit. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got, guys. Bit of fun. Right, that is the bottom side, and that is the top side. I'm going to regret this in a minute because I'm going to have to turn it in the other way to get that. That's another one. There. Oh, it's a struggle, isn't it? Another one there, corner, corner, another one there, corner, 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 and zip it up, and there we go, guys. I think that's absolutely great. That zip's going to go right under there, out the way. Look at that top half. Oh, really pleased with that. That's come out really nice. Now I'm going to do the same around the top side. I'll give you guys the long of that and see what we can do as we're coming through. So this is one now, that's for sure. Alright, let's do what we got to do here. This is a good scratching point. Get the old bonds going. Right, so we need that side in. We need to start from the zip, I think. That's a definite. Let's cut these little cords out of the way. This should be clever. Start from the zip. Do I start from the zip there? Right. Yes. Okay. Same again. Same again. Let me zoom you in a little bit on this so you can see. There we go. So we got the same again. We got the foot following the seam of the opposite side, and I'm going to put that stitch the same as you see me do on the underside, but with a very big struggle by the looks of it. But we'll see as we go along. Geez, it could be a big old struggle. We need to open up them tabs. That's a definite. I can't do it without opening them tabs up. I need to open them up to make our lives a little bit easier there. Just pull him through as such, just to open up them tabs. Okay. Tabs open, drop the old foot, and oh dear. Yeah, okay. As I said, looks like I've got to turn this in and out. Gee, yeah, it does it all, doesn't it? Yep, okay. Oh dear, this is a nightmare. Okay, we'll see as we go along, guys. Let's make sure we don't stitch the opposite side to it. Right, let's go. So if we don't get going, we're not going to get going. And again, there we go. You can see it in real time again. Stitch come out. The old cotton come off. Again. Let's get him in there. This is sometimes it goes straight in for me, and then other times I have a little bit of a nightmare. Let's cut him on an angle. There we go. Oh, pulled it back out. Silly monkey. There we go. Excuse me. Right. Let's pull that to one side for a second. There we go. We're away. Okay. Oh my dear. Right, let's have a look. As I say, guys, I'm going to do. Yeah. As I say, guys, I've got to do 4 of these. Well, this is the first one of 4. This should be fun. Right, let's get that in there. There we go. So we have got this. Put our needle down so it don't move. Good Lord. After I've turned it inside out, now we've got to get it the right way in for it to. Oh, there we go. We'll get there eventually. Cool. I presume once I've done this the first time, best to leave it there to do the opposite side. Let's do a little bit of time then. Here we go. Put needle down. Pull him out. Oh my lord. This is clever. This is very clever. Okay. There we go. Alright, you guys are seeing it same as me. So you have a laugh at my expense. Because that's what it's all about. Not laughing at me, of course, but laughing at, I know you guys out there going, what is he doing? Oh dear. There we go. Now we're getting there, I think. Yes, we are. That's it. Now we're into it. That's it. There we go. Oh, right, okay. Now we got there. Let's try a bit more. And this is just the back end. Needles in. Sorry guys. Trying to keep them tabs down. Good lord, as tight as it is. That is tight. Oh dear. That is tight, guys. Okay, right, let's put him down again. Here we go. Oh dear. That is tight. There we go, through there. Oh. Now we're going through the corner side now. Couple of steps at a time. Couple of steps at a time. There we go. Let's put this hole up a bit inside out before we go too far again. That's where it's got to stay. To do the opposite side. Oh, that is that is tight. Oh dear. What a mess about, guys. At least you're seeing it same as me, real time, so you know where the struggles are, trials and tribulations of trying to do things yourself. A couple more steps. There we go. Getting down to a straight in a minute with a bit of luck. Where are we? There we are. There we go. Pulling tabs out. Boom, 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 boom. If there's anybody out there, I left a staple in there, guys. Sorry about that. Let's get that one out of the way. No wonder I was struggling there. Whew. Please comment below if there's somebody out there who says that there's an easier way of doing this. And I don't mean giving it to somebody else to do. There we go. Down that side. Oh, pretty good. That's it. Open that tab out. Now we're getting somewhere a little bit. Down that side. And getting ready to come to the corner again. There we go. Right on that corner. Okay. Good lord. Couple of tabs. Couple of tabs. Let's open the other side out. Ready? God lord. That is tight. But there we go. Sorry for the grunting and whatnot. It shows something's happening anyway. There we go. Oh dear. There we go. Good Lord. There we go. I don't know how tidy this is going to be. I really don't. Is that needle down? Let's put that needle down. Let's get this up there. Good Lord. Those who see me doing that headrest, when I've done that headrest, that was a bit awkward going inside out as well. This is even worse. Didn't realise how tight this was going to be. Lord. Don't know about doing French, well, I don't know about doing piping on there now, but we'll see. And bring it along. Definitely bring it along. Okay, here we go. And along again. Get in there, guys, get in there. Sorry about the length of the video, but as I say, I'm trying to keep it real as we're going along. Makes everything real. There's no pretend, there's no cuts and then coming back to it and going, there we go, it's one I made earlier. Because this is not about that. This is about doing the mess ups and also having the cheers of it being right as well. Okay, let's move down the front side. That's it. It's still going. It's still getting there. This is tight though. Good Lord. Here we go. That opened up. That's it. Get that corner out there. Does it want to come out? No. It's got to. There we go. That's it. There we go. Right there. And there we go. Get to that corner. Stop there. And open that up as well. I think what I'm going to do is when I get to the back, I'm just going to turn it round, lap the needle over and go for it again on the front side of it without taking all this material out. We'll see how that goes, guys, and as I say, you're going to see it in real time as well as me. There we go. Let's get that round there. Sorry guys, let's get that round there. God, some grunting going on here. There we go. That's it, a bit more. And that's it there. I don't know if you guys can see anything at all here, probably not. You can see me struggling, I know that. But you can't really see what I'm doing. You know roughly what I'm doing. Because you can see that foot coming up and down. There might be little bits and pieces you can see. So what I'm doing is opening them tabs up and getting that all the way along. And then following that through there. Oh, there we go. Following that through there with a tab down the other side. So it follows through. There we go again. There we go. Open that up to the corner. We're nearly going to come round to the other side. Oh dear. There you go. That's it. Come to the corner now. There we go. And the tab up. Hopefully keep that down as I'm going round. Lord, that is tight. Pulling through a little bit. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Open up them tabs. That's it. Pull that round. Open up the tab up. Gonna meet there soon. There it is. There we go. Coming around to the zip side now. There we go. Slightly easier with the zip there. Not much easier, but slightly easier. Right, so got that tab down there. Through. Tab down there. Through. Where did I first start stitching out then? There we go. That's it. Now we're coming through, guys. As I say, I think I'm just going to turn it round and continue on the other side. Okay, let's lock that off there. Put the needle in for a minute. Have a little think about this. Okay, so if we turn that round that way, poke that under there. Okay, lift the needle up. Make sure the tab's over, which it is. Make sure there's no other material in its way, which there isn't. Lift him up, put him over a touch, drop him down, and we'll go for it that way then instead. Here we go. Sorry guys if you can't see too much. I'm trying to do my best to get you to see as much as I can. You're not going to see that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the camera around the opposite side and then you'll be able to see it. Excuse me for moving you. Let me get it in there, sorry. Let me get it in there. Zoom out a touch. There we go. Right, let's try that. Might be a little bit better for you. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. A lot of noise. Okay, I think you might see that a bit better. Yeah, slightly better. So we'll stitch that up as we go along here now. Again, we've got to pull that through. Good job I left that inside out. There we go. That's yeah, tab's staying open nicely. Coming up to the corner soon. Here we go. That's it. Come to that corner and do the same again. A tiny bit at a time. Just through. Let's check, see if that tab's down. Which it isn't. There we go. Let's get that tab down and be done with. Let's open him up. There we go. There we go. That's it. Some of the tabs opened up here and there, so you know. There we go. Whew. There we go. There we go. That's better. There we go. Tab's still open, yep. Go through. Go through. Tab's still open. Tab's still open. Good Lord. Yep, tab's still open. I can feel it on the opposite side. That's it. Come into one of the corners again. And then we'll be down the home straight of the front. Tabs open, yep. To there. Make sure the tabs are open this side. There we go. See where I cut that on the corners where I took them couple of pins out there. A couple of corners it seemed to have done the trick on there. So we'll move this round one at a time. There we go. Bring it on down. There we go. That's it. Down the straight. Where's the straight? There's the straight. So have a look. Make sure its tabs are all opened up, which they are. Nice and open all the way through. Okay, guys. Hopefully you can still see that. And then we'll go through there. There we go through. There we go in there. There we get in there somewhere. Okay. That's it. I'm not going to run this sewing machine real fast because I am nowhere near an expert on that. This is why it's running nice and steady. If I make a big mistake, it's in a short space instead of making a big mistake on a long space, like I did with the bobbin. Got the bobbin. God, just think how far I'd have gone then if that was running fast. I got to right to the end and ended up with nothing there. So there we go. Just goes to show you, doesn't it? Okay, we'll come into the corner again. There we go. Get them corners right opened up there. Here's as well. There we go. Nice and steady as she goes. There we go. There we go. There we go. That tab is opened up. He's closed, so let's get him opened. Sorry guys. It did open up to start with. Closed up on me, so there we go. I got him open again. That's it. There we go. Stopping, making sure that tab's opened all the time. There we go. Getting there a little bit better. Go guys, nearly there. There we go. There we go. Come into that corner part again. Tabs are open. Put him back. Tabs open. Them ones are not, but they will be in a second. They need slice in there. That's it. Open that up. There we go. Feed that through. And I think you guys are going to be more pleased about me finishing with this, that's if you stay to the end of the video of course, than me. I'm looking forward to the end of this. Coming down the back straight now. on the zip side again. There we go. Nearly ready to lock it all off. Lock it all, there we go. We've got not far to go there now. And lock it all off, turn it inside out, turn it the right way, and then we both have a look at the same time in real time. There we go, guys. Right, let's turn that round. There we go. There we go. Right, let's zoom you out. Oh, sorry, I said out. There we go. There's me again, guys. Sorry about the ugly mug. Right, here we go. Let's see what we've got. There we go. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you're a newcomer, you can see that I'm a newcomer. You can see my mistakes as I make them and try and rectify them as we're going along. This is my first time doing this kind of stuff, so a bit of a nightmare. But if you'd like, please subscribe, comment below, and see how it goes. Right, guys, let's put that zip back in because that's out. There we go. Let's have that zip back in there. Oh, sorry. And we'll zip it all up and we'll see what we've got. There we go. Again. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I do like them ends. I like the whole lot, actually. There we go, guys. You see it as I've done it. There's that around there. That looks quite nice. Yeah. Let's zoom you in a touch. There we go. Get it focused in there first. Oh dear. Sorry, guys. There we go. Get it all focused. Ends. Let's zoom you out a touch. There we go. There we go. There's the ends. There's the ends as you see them. There's the zip side. Let's open that zip up for you. Let's open, well, not the zip. Let's open it up to show you the whole zip with it all completely finished now. That's with it all completely finished. There we go. I'm going to do these tabs. I'll do these off camera and tie them up on the back side. There we go, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. I've got to watch this back. This might even be turned into 4 videos, but I'm trying to get it 3. I know it's a bit long, but we'll see how it goes. As I say, thanks for watching. Hit the like button or dislike button. Please subscribe, comment below, and if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.